Hi children, good morning everybody. In the previous videos, we revised different concepts for the screening syllabus. Algebra and state board topics over. In this video, we have to discuss chapters on state board. State board syllabus. State board syllabus was yesterday completed. Now, plain geometrical syllabus. Plain geometry. Here algebra completed, state board completed. Now we are in plane geometry. In plane geometry, basic geometrical concepts, lines and angles, then polygons. Basic geometrical concepts, lines and angles, polygons. From state board, 10 bits are new. From algebra, 10 bits. And from geometry also, 10 bits are new. In total, 30 bits. 30 bits, mains model. Now, in plane geometry, first of all, geometry is taken from two Greek words, geo and metro. Geo means earth, metron means measurement. Earth measurement is nothing but geometry. Here we discuss the mathematicians who contributed for geometry. The main contribution of geometry was taken by Euclid. He was a Greek mathematician. That's why Euclid was treated as a father of geometry. Now, we are following the structure of Euclidean geometry only. Not only us, 80% of the world are using 80% of the world are using Euclidean structure of geometry. In particular, in Euclidean structure, we have defined things, first of all, undefined things. Define things, axioms, theorems, corollaries, these things we discussed earlier. Undefined things. Why Euclidean geometry was that much famous? He adopted the things from the nature and he adapts to the geometrical parts. For For example, undefined things, defined things, axioms, theorems and corollaries. In which undefined things, flowers, air, sun, moon, like these things here are made from the nature. What is the meaning of flower? What is the meaning of air? What is the meaning of sun? What is the meaning of moon? We don't know. That's why they are undefined things. From these undefined things, he gave definitions, directions. What is meant by direction mean? With the help of sun and moon, we can construct the direction. Garland. Like these things, he defined from the undefined things. The axioms, self-evidential things which requires no proof. Self-evidential things. Whole is always greater than its part. Equals of equals are equal. Sun rises in the east. These are all self-evident things. Okay, we know these things are true, but we can't prove the given statements. Like the sun rises in the east. From childhood onwards, we know sun rises in the east, but we did not give any proof for that. Next, theorems which can be proved. The world contributions ended here only by self-evidential things, including Indians. But the Greek people only accepted whether it has proof. So that's why this geometry has that much importance. Okay, here theorems which have proof. Next, corollaries. Corollaries also theorems only. With the help of another theorem completely we can prove it. That is called a corollary. Here basic definitions like line segment, ray, angle, plane. These are all the basic definitions of geometry. Point also. Point, line, line segment, ray, angle, plane, flat surface, extend angles in all directions. These are the basic definitions. In addition to these basic definitions, we have collinear points. The points which are lying on same line are called collinear points. Coplanar lines. The lines which are belongs to the same plane are called coplanar lines. Coplanar points. The points which are belongs to the same plane are called coplanar points. Skew lines. Lines which belongs to different planes are skew lines. Lines which belongs to different planes. Lines which belongs to the same plane are coplanar lines. Okay, next step. These are basic definitions. Okay, here many lines are possible which passes through a given point in a plane. L, M, N, O, like this. This 4 passes through the point P. Axiom, geometrical axiom. Euclid parallel axiom. One line and one point in a plane are given. There are one and only one line is possible which passes through the given point and parallel to the given line. This is Euclid's parallel axiom. Euclid's parallel axiom. Next, now lines and angles. While coming to the second chapter, lines and angles, here lines are of two kinds. One is parallel lines, second one is intersecting lines. Parallel and intersecting lines. In a plane, two lines are said to be parallel if they don't have any common endpoint. Then two lines are said to be intersecting lines if they have one common point. Intersecting lines have one common point. From the above example, there are no common points between L and M. In the below, they have a common point O. The common point is called point of intersection. Point of intersection. In a plane, a pair of lines are given. Either they are parallel or they are intersecting each other. If they are not intersecting each other, definitely they are parallel. Next, angles. The inclination between two rays is nothing but an angle. The inclination between two rays. Here A, O, B. Angle AOB or angle BOA. In these two rays, we can represent a given angle. Measurement of an angle means the amount of rotation from initial position to the final position is called the amount of measurement of the given angle. Here angle AOB equal to theta degrees. Measurement of an angle is given to the degrees. Degrees further divided into 60 parts. Each part is known as minute. Minute is further divided into 60 equal parts. Each part is known as second. Okay. Now 1 minute equal to 1 by 60th degree. 1 second equal to 1 by 60th minutes. These are the conditions. If you want the degree in terms of seconds, mean 3600 seconds. Mean 1 second equal to 1 by 3600 degrees. 1 by 3600 degrees. Angle, this one. Next, types of angles. We are aware of these types of angles. Acute angle we have, obtuse angle we have, right angle. Okay, acute, right, obtuse, straight, reflex, complete. Acute mean 0 less than theta less than 90. Right mean 90. Obtuse mean 90 less than theta less than 180. Straight mean 180. Reflex mean 180 less than theta less than 360. Complete mean 360. 0. There is no amount of rotation here. These are the kinds of angles. Okay, next pair of angles are given me. We have complementary and supplementary angles. Pair of angles are given me. Complementary and supplementary angles. Complementary. Sum of two angle measures 90 degrees mean they are complementary to each other. X is complementary to y, y is complementary to x. Supplementary. Two angles are said to be supplementary if the sum measures 180 degrees. X is supplementary to y, y is supplementary to x. 30 is given mean 60 degrees is its complementary. 45 given mean 45 only it's complementary. 59 given mean 31 is its complementary. Here 120 given means 60, 90 given means 90, 30 given means 150, 36 given means 144. They are the complementary pairs. These are the complementary pair of angles. Next. Next, adjacent angles. Adjacent angles. Here, angle AOC and angle BOC. Here, X and Y are said to be adjacent if and only if they have a common vertex and a common arm. AOC and BOC have a common vertex O and common arm OC. That's why these two angles are adjacent. Adjacent angles. Vertically opposite angles. When the two lines intersect each other, they have a common vertex and they don't have common arm. Then the given angles are vertically opposite angles. Adjacent means common vertex. Vertically opposite angle means common vertex. Adjacent means common arm. Vertically opposite angle means there is no common arm between these two. These are adjacent. These are vertically opposite angles. And here one extra condition is if the lines intersect each other. For adjacent, no need of intersection. Okay, they have a common vertex and common arm enough. There, when the two lines intersect each other, at the time they have a common vertex and they don't have common arm, they are vertical opposite angles. Next, linear pair. Linear pair. Linear means they are forming a line. Pair means two. Two angles together forming a line. Then the two adjacent angles are said to be linear pair. In x plus y equal to 90 degrees here. 180, sorry. 180 degrees. Sum of two adjacent angle measures 180 degrees, they are linear pair. Sum of two adjacent angle measures 180 degrees. Sum of two angle measures 180 means supplementary. Sum of two angle measures 180 degrees. Sum of any two angle measures 180 degrees, they are supplementary. If the two angles are adjacent, it's a linear pair. It's a linear pair. Here 135 degrees, here 45 degrees they give. So 135 plus 45 measures 180 degrees. These are supplementary angles. 135 supplement to 45, 45 supplement to 130. Linear pair means they are intersecting each other. Means they are adjacent. Then only we can say these two angles are linear pair, because two angles togetherly forming a line. It is called a linear pair. Next, angles at the point measures 360 degrees. Angles at the point A plus B plus C plus D minus 360. Angles at the point minus 360. Angles at the point on one side of a straight line measures 180 degrees. Okay. Angles at a point measures 360 degrees. Angles at a point on one side of a straight line measures 180 degrees. One side of a straight line measures 180 degrees. Angles at the point measures 360 degrees. Okay. These are the most important points. Next, polygons. Polygons. Next chapter is polygons. Simple closed figure bounded by three or more than three line segments are called polygons. Simple closed figure. Simple closed figure bounded by three or more than three line segments is called a polygon. We have different type of polygons based on the number of sides. It contains three sides is a triangle. Contains four sides, quadrilateral. Triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon, septagon, octagon, nonagon, and decagon. Contains 15 sides mean 15 sided polygon. Duodecagon means contain 12 sides. Duodecagon. Decagon. Hexadecagon. Hexadecagon means 16 sides. Duodecagon. Duo means 2. Duodecagon means 12 sided. Hexadecagon means 16 sided polygon. 25 sided polygon. Based on the number of sides only, we can decide the given name for the given polygon. Polygons mainly how many kinds? Mainly three kinds. First one, convex polygon. Convex polygon. The polygon is said to be convex if each and every angle measures less than 180 degrees. each and every angle of your polygon measures less than 180 degrees, they are called convex polygons. Less than 180 degrees. Concave. The polygon is said to be concave if and only if at least one angle measures greater than 180. At least one angle measures greater than 180 degrees. At least one angle measures greater than 180. Here, in the both given examples, here it contains one reflex angle, here two reflex angle. At least one reflex. It's a concave. Every angle less than 180 degrees means it's a convex. It's a convex polygon. Regular polygon. Regular. A polygon is said to be regular if and only if every side of the polygon is equal, every angle also equal. All the angles are equal and all the sides are equal in a given polygon, then it is called a regular polygon. Then it is called a regular polygon. In equilateral triangle, here A, B, C, all sides equal and all angle measures, each angle measures to 60 degrees. Next, square, four-sided regular polygon. Here AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to AD, and each angle measures 90 degrees. A square is an example of a regular polygon. Equilateral triangle is an example of a regular polygon of three sides. Regular polygon of four sides is a square. Regular polygon of five sides, pentagon. Regular pentagon, regular hexagon, regular decagon, regular duodecagon, regular hexadecagon, regular hexadecagon mean hexadecagon contains 16 sides. These 16 sides are equal. Then it is a regular hexadecagon. 16 angles also equal. Okay, all the sides are equal, all the angles are equal in a polygon, then only it is considered as a regular polygon. Next, sum of the interior angles of a regular polygon or polygon. Once observe this one. First of all, polygon divided in terms of triangles. Already I explained, briefly I explained. Here one triangle we have, here two triangles, pentagon divided into three triangles, hexagon divided into four triangles. Here sum of the triangles of triangle measures 180 degrees we know. Here two triangles mean 360 degrees, here three triangles mean 540 degrees, here four means 720 degrees. So for n-sided polygon, n minus 2 into 180 degrees. Sum of interior angles of the polygon of n sides measures n minus 2 into 180 degrees. Otherwise 2n minus 4 into 90. In terms of right angles, they asked me 2n minus 4 right angles it has. Because every polygon divided in terms of a triangle, polygon divided into n minus 2 triangles. Polygon divided into n minus 2 triangles. Triangle itself, n minus 2 means contains 3 sides, that's why 3 minus 2, 1 triangle. Quadrilateral, 4 minus 2, 2 triangles. Pentagon, 5 minus 2, 3 triangles. Hexagon, 6 minus 2, 4 triangles. N is the number of sides of the given polygon. It contains 10 Sides, decagon mean 10 minus 2, 8 triangles it contains. Decagon contains 8 triangles. So with respect to the number of triangles, you can give the sum. So here, sum of the interior angles of your polygon measures n minus 2 into 180 degrees. Interior and exterior matters here. They did not mention exterior, find interior angles only. For a polygon, one of the side is extended. Here A, B, C are triangles. Here A, B, C are three sides of the given polygon. So BC is extended to D, then the formed angle is called exterior. Triangle has three exterior angles are possible. Sum of these three exterior angle measures 360 degrees. Okay. Sum of exterior angles. Exterior angles of a polygon of n sides measures 360 degrees. Interior measures n minus 2 into 180 degrees. Sum of the interior angles of polygon measures n minus 2 into 180. Sum of the exterior angles of a polygon of n side measures 360 degrees. How many sides it may be? Whether 100-sided polygon also, sum of its exterior angle measures 360 degrees only. Sum of interior and its exterior measures 180 degrees. Sum of interior and its exterior. Sum of interior and its exterior. Here C and D, interior and exterior, measures 180 because they are adjacent and forming a line, linear pair. A and D, linear pair. B and F, linear pair. Linear pair of angle measures 180 degrees. They are adjacent and they together forming a line. That's it. Sum of exterior angles are called measures 360. Interior and minus 2 degrees. In case of regular, if you have 100 rupees, if you divide for 10 members, each one gets 10 rupees. Here we have the interior sum n minus 2 into 180 degrees. If you want to distribute to n equal numbers, then you will get each angle. Each angle of a regular polygon of n sides measures n minus 2 into 180 degrees by n. Why by n? We have n equal sides. The sum is n minus 2 into 180. This sum need to be equal to n sides. That's why n minus 2 into 180 by n. Each exterior angle measures 360 degrees by n. N minus 2 into 180 by n. Here 360 by n. If you want to distribute this angle 360 degrees to n numbers, mean 360 by n. Each interior angle n minus 2 into 180 by n. In this way, we can find the required angles. Okay, in this video, we discussed basic concepts of geometry, lines and angles, polygons. If you have any doubts regarding these chapters, please kindly refer the previous videos. Okay, plain geometrical videos I have sent. Still you have doubt, call me before 6 o'clock. Okay? All the best. Have a nice day. Prepare well.